Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video,
Using the verb to be and another verb in a sentence. Practice. I don't agree that it's so bad. I don't agree that it's so bad. I don't understand why it isn't so. I don't understand why it isn't so. I don't agree that it's good. I don't agree that it's good. I don't understand why it isn't right. I don't understand why it isn't right. I do it better and my practice is also better. I do it better and my practice is also better. You can't understand why we aren't happy. You can't understand why we aren't happy. She cannot understand why they're unhappy. She cannot understand why they're unhappy. You can't understand why she's right. You can't understand why she's right. We can't understand why they don't do it. We can't understand why they don't do it. Is it right? Is it right? Is it good? Is it good? Does it seem good? Does it seem good? Are you in France? Are you in France? Do you live in the USA? Do you live in the USA? I don't think it's so bad. I don't think it's so bad. You don't think it's so good. You don't think it's so good. It doesn't look important. It doesn't look important. It doesn't seem useful. It doesn't seem useful. We're all sure. We're all sure. We aren't all sure. We aren't all sure. We're all not sure. We're all not sure. We're not all sure. We're not all sure. We're all sure it doesn't help so. We're all sure it doesn't help so. We're all sure that it doesn't work so. We're all sure that it doesn't work so. I'm sure it's possible. I'm sure it's possible. I'm sure that it's possible. I'm sure that it's possible. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm good. I'm here. I'm here. I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm sure that it can happen. I'm sure that it can happen. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? What do you think about this thing? What do you think about this thing? When does she have free time? When does she have free time? Why do you go here? Why do you go here? Why do you still there? Why do you still there? It's good, but it can be better. It's good, but it can be better. It's bad, but it can be worse. It's bad, but it can be worse. It's bad, but it can be even worse. It's bad, but it can be even worse. What do you advise? What do you advise? What does she advise? What does she advise? What doesn't she advise? What doesn't she advise? Are you at work now? Are you at work now? Are you not at work now? Are you not at work now? Why aren't you at work now? Why aren't you at work now? Is he at school now? Is he at school now? Is he not at school now? Is he not at school now? Why isn't he at school now? Why isn't he at school now? It's big money. It's big money. It's very big money. It's very big money. Is it really big money? Is it really big money? Is it not very big money? Is it not very big money? Why is it not big money? Why is it not big money? This knowledge is enough. This knowledge is enough. That knowledge isn't enough. That knowledge isn't enough. It does seem enough. It does seem enough. Is it enough? Is it enough? Is it exactly enough? Is it exactly enough? Is it really enough? Is it really enough? Does it quite enough? Does it quite enough? Does it seem enough? Does it seem enough?
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.